Breaking news and dana banlinga jan gwasame rewich kasa Sudan. Uh, Raj mbanalat ke kui espele mayo kene bon right ke kirma yadit. Bana Raj kawuden cha George rewich milaran espele mayo tepin Dr. Yang Machaten gwasan te tene tama kwaj keja. Gwadan chering tin kwaj keja. Wudo kwere cha George kirma yadit. Kwaj ka gwadan te tin. Bana Raj ken yam ka thoknath ka kore ban jawlat ka tok English ko bakula te ka domi biajelinga gwa kaja. Name ler mishalat ka changa waro ka pairo ron kina dangro di jan dangro di diech ron kina dangro jan dangro di diech ko gur konde lat ko rodi rewe ka so Sudan enoba ben ka nong ye ka do badan en shaga nong kaja. Ko name ode kume sa Sudan kam de kene spele mayu tindi pin Dr. Yang Machaten kene kirmi yadi de kan taka maldu do ngoda malamo chedetin ban je ko lingwa ngum le roda bana madan bo men chalat Dr. Yang Machaten bana je ling bokel chiti meche konling gwaye mi jira ma jidit go rejeno deri channel me deri nyuak nasin ko ken ka der subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel bana shore ler kana men ala breaking news and link kono gwasame kwer en chawoch ke kwere chawoch kirma yadit milaran SPLM aigo murwech ala kwer ka yambio ka Western Equatoria chala do kwai ka gwasan te tin shumana wale ka kor ka me shaje joch re wich ka yambio ka chenge kap ka jepin ka je akirma yadit me chikirma yadit che wuda me che jawoch ka tiangde me charwach ka television dung South Sudan malian ka ne dial an gwasa mo shote ke de ni South Sudan People Defense Force to show re dɔaar dana tetin ka yambio ka chwajo gorno bajenak an gwasmo chu kormo chu tuo ka chu rodo chu barda dɔaar ene me che kume spele mayo che ga jako jeklo dien along no namoni che rol che jenung ko kenetiti tin wawa wudum wajenak Canadian content the pink kirma yadit ne ti chiguro ne alkalo de kan wudum de kan kapke de kan nak so ko kujamo churo chubar bare rode che ngwaire ruop kajen Western Equatoria State jene governor chure shal Alfred Futuyo Karaba gwad tetin abene ka shanga diok ke Wednesday ka kornin dangro te charoda bador ka ke charoda bare wiki yambio shungod ba shumana tema kwa gwadan tetin bara roda ko jente ke rador tetin ala resident tetin ke jelat ka war chaja maga de ne kirma yadit ne de kona maka wuda me jaka president kirma yadit ki ko dobo dana chaja wiki je dobo wiki general Futuyo ka je kwai ka je ajen min siakul linka asfele mayo lar kenen wonene aloy ka gwada dana tetin ko nteme mo wiki jema kwai ka je ka kuch first by president Dr. Yang Machaten kuje mandana wiki wuda me ka kuje mo chela no en Dr. Yang Machaten jen baje loy gwade ka kwai ga gwada dana tetin nteme en Futuyo kuje dana chiring tin pan Western Equatoria do no kwai ka je direction yen tewotono no name jenan gode larje ka thoknath baje kwen ye ka tok English ka dobrana chaja non kaje. The attack came after President Salva Kiir's decision to dismiss General Futuyo from his position as a governor of Western Equatoria State. Kiir also dismissed Health Minister Yolanda Awel-Deng. Both General Futuyo and Awel are members of the opposition SPLM-IO led by First Vice President Riek Machar. The whereabouts of Western Equatoria State former governor General Alfred Futuyo Karaba remain unknown. On Wednesday, 2 days after he fled Yambio town following gunfire at his residence on Monday night, his party said. The attack came after President Salva Kiir Mayardit's decision to dismiss General Futuyo from his position as a governor of Western Equatorial State. Kiir also dismissed Elder Minister Yolanda Awel Deng. Both General Futuyo and Awel are members of the opposition SPLM-IO, led by First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. On Monday evening, President Kiir issued a series of decrees unilaterally removing several senior government officials appointed under the 2018 peace agreement. Pogbot Balwang, acting press secretary in the office of First Vice President Riek Machar, said that on Wednesday afternoon that the whereabouts of the former governor remained unknown after he fled Yambio, the capital of Western Equatorial State. Until now, we have been unable to reach General Alfred Futuyo. However, we are in contact with his family because after the attack on his residence by elements linked to the SSPDF who were dressed in civilian clothes, 2 of his children went missing. But the 2 children were found later in the UN camp, Pok said. Wude me cha gat ke gar dang ro chik bat la point ni point kuma swelem chakan kuni go dan tentem malat keneme. We are working to relocate the former governor, but he is not in the UN base. As you know, it is difficult because he is still being targeted by the SSPDF. It is also hard for us to contact him as his phone cannot be reached. But I can assure the public that we are in touch with the family of the former governor, Futuyo. We are coordinating effort to ensure the family is handed over to the UN in Juba and to guarantee the protection of SPLM-IO officials in Western Equatoria. According to POC, the attack in Western Equatoria also targeted the Information Minister, Finance Minister, and County Commissioner. The Deputy Governor of Western Equatoria has assured us that no one will be targeted, that building trust and confidence during this time is essential, regardless of ethnic and political affiliation. This assurance was given following a direct phone conversation between the Deputy Governor and the First Vice President on Tuesday. However, POC added that they were surprised by an attack on one of the SPLM-IO cantonment sites by SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, in Western Equatoria on Wednesday morning without providing further detail. Separately, POC dismissed the report circulating on social media claiming that the SPLM-IO threatened to withdraw from the transitional government of national unity if the dismissed Elder Minister and Governor were not reinstated within 24 hours. The statement circulating about an alleged threat to withdraw from the transitional government is fake. I would like to confirm that it is fabricated, he concluded. La POC had memen chalar ken war gamichi kana gor chalar ken de bugarodian woika transitional ke national unity ndan latke ka kuiko cha kwarken cha go je kana mona fake ga dobrana chikana latke je jen dundo gone no en General Futuyo mala kwar Yambio baje yik laslet chikami shalen gwada me jeno ala wuda me kwai gwada dan teten shuman tam ngoda kwai keje jen kan dangro ala governor ke commissioner dung Yambio kwar SPLM-IO kan Elder Minister mila ramkel baka IO ba kan dangro wa ku kuma ko ga target lo goraka jen shalinga no gat ka point ko dora jen chawo do major kanide kon tilla deni tin pinker mi yadi jel kan ke bene tisha bene deni jen do bana shewo ga jelo karan kap dora eneme wa amijek chaje condemn Dr. Machaten ka chaje condemn ne dial content malte pindien chagu jen men chalat kir mi yadi chechong ngode tele mi shana luangantama and banu gwinte content yamno ngumbi kume South Sudan men both ke kir mi yadit kana kume South Sudan men both ke Dr. Machaten ngumbi kana lel ka kuyi mi chetwogane bana mandana le rode we on yam bukon link mi jiram jidit. Please share, subscribe and comment ko bitin kon lat ko rodien ka kuyi mal ka rewi ka South Sudan bi ken chwa mala be ka ji mapai ka la rech bi ataga mal ban jigmu rodien. Bye bye.